Hello quiz lovers! Quiz Helper here with another free Canva quiz template. Today's template is a rating quiz in the style of one of the most popular quiz channels right now, Quiz Blitz. This template is free to use for all subscribers only. So before we begin, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Let's go over what the template includes, shall we? Let's go! Here is the default layout of the rate quiz. Please keep in mind, there are no backgrounds, sounds or animations included. Here are the following items that you can edit on the template. The page number, the title, the answer box, the rating words, the picture, and of course the quiz channel name. Also, make sure to download one of my many background videos that are on my YouTube channel, which are also completely free for all of my subscribers. Now let's go over a quick tutorial on some animation suggestions for this particular Canva template. For this template, I'm going to go over animations that I would use, but feel free to use any effects you would like. The first thing I do is add an animated background. I right-click the video, go to Layer, and Send to Back. I then select the first rating option group, and I delay the entrance of the option half a second. I then go to Animate, and I click on the pop animation. I move the slider underneath the crown. I also add the pulse animation, and move the intensity slider all the way to the left. I then click the next option, and move it, or delay it, by 0.1 second. Then, I repeat the animations of pop and pulse, just like the previous rating option. Delay each rating option by 0.1 second, and add the same animations to the remaining options. I move the timer slider to about 1.5 seconds, or right after the rating options appear. I then group the answer box and picture box together, and I add a pop and wiggle animation. Then I move the slider to about 2 seconds, and move the entire timer to that position. I then clicked on Animate, and I chose the Rise animation with the Both option. And I clicked on Reverse Exit animation. Finally, I adjust every element to end around 12.5 seconds. Now let's see how it looks. And there you have it. This Canva template is free for subscribers only. You can find the link in the description. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel in order to support my work. Thank you so much for everyone showing me love in the comments. Now let's start making those quizzes. I'll see you in the next video.